told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Welcome back to Pose Code, the place where elegance, beauty, and digital influence meet. Today, we're diving into the world of Luiza, a woman whose presence speaks volumes without ever having to say too much. She's more than just a face on your feed. She's an energy, a vibe, and a statement of how quiet power can shake the digital space. Luiza has built her platform not by following trends, but by owning her image, radiating a mix of softness and strength that draws people in. Her online presence feels effortless, yet it carries a sense of intention, a carefully crafted balance between beauty, confidence, and grace. What sets her apart isn't loudness, it's the way she stands still, and the world notices. Her style speaks for her. Each look, each post, and each moment she shares is a piece of her visual language, a way of telling her story to thousands who can't help but stop and stare. She has a gift for creating images that are not only captivating but emotionally magnetic, pulling people into her orbit with ease. In a digital landscape crowded with noise, Luiza chooses subtlety. Her content reflects class, creativity, and calm, and it's this unique tone that has set her apart from the rest. She doesn't need to shout to be heard, she simply shines, and people come closer. What's also powerful about Luiza's journey is the way she's embraced being unapologetically herself. In a world where many try to fit into boxes, she stands out by being fully present in her own identity. Whether she's serving iconic looks, sharing candid moments, or simply moving through her world, Luiza embodies the beauty of quiet confidence. This kind of influence doesn't happen overnight. It's built with vision, with self-belief, and with the courage to show up exactly as you are. Luiza is proof that when you trust your light, you don't need to dim it for anyone. Her followers don't just admire her beauty, they admire her strength, her stillness, and the way she makes everything feel intentional. She's not just trending, she's leaving an impression. A woman like Luiza isn't here for quick moments of fame, she's here to create a legacy. And that's what makes her story on Pose Code so special. So, as you watch this episode, remember, true power isn't about being the loudest in the room, it's about being unforgettable in your own lane. Luiza is walking proof of that truth. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Pose Code for more powerful stories of modern icons taking over the digital world in their own unique way.